Tired of seeing your Facebook timeline appearing out of order? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly change your Facebook feed back to chronological order. Now let's get started. To begin, go to facebook.com in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Then, scroll down and click See More at the bottom of the menu bar on the left. Now click Most Recent. This will change your Facebook timeline to be sorted chronologically, so you'll see all your friends' newest posts first. If you ever want to switch back to view posts in the default order based on what Facebook's algorithm thinks you'll want to see first, click Back to Top Posts on the right. That's all it takes to sort your Facebook feed in chronological order. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.